So in this video, we're going to be going through our partnership with Kojak Exterior Cleaning. We partnered with them literally, I think it was at the start of May. And since then, they priced over 5 figures of exterior cleaning jobs in literally under a month. I think we're 22 days now at the time of recording this video. So exterior cleaning companies struggle to get commercial jobs. You're stuck pricing bottom of the barrel residential jobs, competing against tons of other people. Meanwhile, our clients are signing blocks of flats for 5 figures. These are 5-figure jobs that these clients are getting through the leads that we bring them. So essentially, we built an AI technology that's helping exterior cleaning companies with high-end commercial projects. So you're getting resorts that are responding. You're talking gyms, breweries. There's a couple of reply from a resort there. This was a gym that responded, saying they need the bike shed pressure washed and the car park cleaning. Someone here asking to get the front and the back of the building pressure washing and the windows. That was a big brewery. So here's how it works. The AI agents that we've got go out and find companies that need exterior cleaning. Think of it like an AI doing the actual door knocking for you. So we essentially set up a system which is setting up the tech and email infrastructure to send thousands of emails every single week on autopilot. And then we write these emails, AI personalized messages that sound real, not like a mass blast, so people actually respond to them. And then we find the right businesses. So we essentially build a list of the ideal prospects in your target area, which would be property managers, schools, trades, breweries, car garages, hotels, gyms, anything with the premises that you want to target that you think is a good fit for your company. We find them and then we contact them and then we actually manage the responses. So people are going to respond positively. They're going to save you details. We essentially handle all the responses, answer any questions that you've got, and connect you with the ones that are asking for quotes. And we'll connect you with them, and they'll just you'll get an email basically with what's been said. You'll be able to see what's been said, what the company's asked for, and then you essentially carry on the conversation from there. So literally, you just open your email up and then book an appointment, book an estimate in. Super simple, really good process. So here's the campaign statistics. We contacted 2,000 companies for them. We had a 7.8% reply rate. That's 160 responses that we got. And then we had an 11.3% positive reply rate, so that's 11.3% of the companies that responded positively, which for the campaign that we were running is really good. And then we had 18 opportunities. So that was 18 companies that said, we're going to either add you to the bid list, the contractors list, or we've got a job for you to price. So some of the responses that we've got, hi, do you do gutter cleaning? We hired a machine and got our maintenance staff up there. We want to compare your quote to that. So they're doing it in-house, and essentially they're potentially looking at outsourcing it because it might be more cost-effective for them to do that, and they want to get a better job. Thank you for your email. Can you pressure wash brickwork for the parking spaces? Could you please provide your price list? Our company's closing. We've started a new company, and we need a quote for the pressure washing. Please, can you call me at your earliest convenience? And then here's everything pops into the client's AI CRM. So essentially, we actually loop them in with 15 positive responses. That's 15 companies that had responded positively that wanted a price that we passed over to our client. So it pops into their email, and then it also pops into the CRM so they can move it around and track it. This is with our client's response. This one's getting quoted next week. It was 50 car park spaces and a bike shed that needed cleaning. So nice job there. And then another one that they got, this was this week, was they landed an £11,850 project, which was 25 blocks of flats, needed render and fascia and soffit cleaning. Nice job. So essentially, if you need help doing this, like you want us to set a system up for you, we run a trial. Well, what we'll do, we'll implement this AI system for your business, literally no cost to show you it working, and we'll connect you with at least 3 commercial jobs to show you the system that we've got. This is the exact same thing that we did for George, and since then he's partnered with us like most of our clients do. After they've actually seen the results that we get, they partner with us, and we can essentially do the exact same thing for you. There's going to be a link in the description. If you go there and book a call in, we can hop on a call with her and see if it's a good fit for both of our companies. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and hopefully talk to you soon.